Yeah, that is
140,
fucking quick.
160.
That is so quick. That's quick. Okay, that just blows my mind. Don't touch it.
Ross and I have been umming and ahhing about getting Starlink for a good month or so, just purely because we love camping, you know, remotely, but then sometimes if we've got jobs or we need to get certain things done, we'll have to go into a town to get internet or go to a library, so we're just going to see how this is going to work out for us. Oh yeah, we got it, duh. So yeah, we'll show you how easy it is to install and the process that Joss got us a little discount even though we're roaming around Oz.
So today we've picked up our Starlink. We've got the standard Starlink kit. We got it sent to where we are and it's going to be where the Roam subscription. So we paid, I think it was $2.99 or $1.99 for the hardware, and then you pay, I think it's I'll have to double check how much it is per month. I'll put it on the screen. So this is pretty much how it comes. It's quite a big box. So let's have a look inside. So inside you've got another big bit of cardboard. Just put that there. Now this is the dish. It's not heavy, it's quite light. That's the stand for the dish, which is actually solid metal. More cardboard. This is the dish, and it has a 15-foot cord. So the dish just sits in the stand like that, and I think it just clicks in, and then Bob's your uncle. Not yet. So you get your 15-meter cord. Probably shouldn't put that in the dirt. And a connector there, 15-foot cord I mean. Then you get some cool little stickers with cats on a satellite dish. Woohoo! Megan can have them. What else you get in here is the router, which obviously needs 240 power, which is what we have there. That's the cord, the cable I mean. So that'll be plugged in on the other side of our car where our inverter is. That's the cable. That's your instructions, you don't need them. I'm gonna get the app. Luckily, we're in Telstra reception at the moment, so I can show you how we set it up with the app. So, fed the cord through here. Now I'll come around to where our router is. Mind the mess. So I've plugged it into our inverter. This is the cord from the dish. That's the cord from the power. That's the router, and they both plug in there really nicely. So I'm just going to sit that there for now. It's not the only cleanest setup right now, but we'll make it better as we go. So now this is the app. So on the app, click Start Setup. Now that one looks like ours, so we go Confirm. Plug in your power cord and set up Starlink where it has a complete clear view of the sky. Oh. It moves itself.
Oh, really?
It moves itself. On your Starlink Wi-Fi, it may take up to 30 seconds for it to appear. Open settings. Wi-Fi. Starlink. Now made a name and a password. I assume I have to join it. I won't show this. Now I've joined the Wi-Fi. Go back to here. Starlink would like to, yep, allow. Starlink connected. Starlink paired successfully. Tap continue to finish your setting up. Starlink, okay, so there's a update which I'll just do. Look at it, Megan.
That's wild.
So don't touch it when you get it. It moves automatically. Some people may know this, some people may not. Says online, calibrating connection. Your Starlink is just powered on. Network performance should stabilize after about 15 minutes. So I assume it's just doing its thing. Obviously this is the first time we've set it up. And it'd be interesting to know how much power it uses from my inverter, because obviously most people would be using an inverter. these are all the options you've got. This is your main page. Let's see what this means. You're stable. So I think it's just still like working like through to get a good connection, but you've got statistics which shows you your outages, your latency, your throughput, your upload and download speeds, obstructions. Starlink can still collect. This usually takes about 12 hours. So I think it takes a long time. Well, not a long time. It takes a while to like get these things, get it really calibrated. Speed test. There you go. So the speed test on here is 140 megabytes per second, which is pretty quick. Do you mind doing that again on your laptop, Megan, just seeing if it's similar? Then you've got all your settings, really straightforward, really.
Oh, 100.
Yeah, that is
140,
fucking
150,
quick.
160.
That is so quick. That's quick. Okay, that just blows my mind. So I've just turned off the fridge and unplugged Megan's laptop while she works, but just to see exactly what we get from how much the Starlink router pulls plugged into our inverter. So on our projector app, we can see that it pulls pretty much exactly 2.4, 2.2, 2.4 up to 2.6 amps. That's without anything else connected. So very little, not much at all. If you have any questions, let us know. We'll probably do a couple more videos on this, but that's pretty much how our setup. That is the first time I've set it up. It literally, I've just taken it out of the box and set it up on the. Yeah, it worked. Yeah, probably 10 minutes. It does it all itself. Connected 2 devices, super fast speed. We are in somewhere which is relatively unobstructed. So yeah, we're in the middle of the Queensland outback. So yep, that's a great test, and I hope that helps people. So if you have any questions, let us know. We'll be working our way through it and hopefully, yeah, we master it. All right, like and subscribe for more videos like this.